We're going to talk about how to do a screen recording on your Mac desktop. To do this, you need to have the operating system Mac OS Mojave and above. That means Mac OS Mojave or Mac OS Catalina, which is the latest operating system. To activate this feature, you need to press the the shortcut key Command Shift and 5 at all together. Now, since I'm already in this recording, even if I press that, I'm not going to get the full application here, which is why I've taken some screenshots of that toolbar. So when I press Command Shift 5, this is the toolbar that I get on my screen, right? And when I hover over this particular icon, the video and the recording button here, this gives me the option to record my entire screen. Okay. Now, furthermore, if I click on this and I hover on these dotted lines and with the circle on the bottom right corner, that will record a selected portion, similar to how we are taking the selected area screenshot, right? Furthermore, if I wish to have some more controls on this, I can click on options, and these are the options that come in where I can store them, where I can set a timer, where I can have a built-in microphone if I want to ensure my voice is also audio is also recorded with the screen recording, and show mouse click. So if I have to click somewhere, automatically that click also will come, which is something you'll see in this video here. Now, just for your benefit, I'm just going to show you how this actually works, right? I'm just going to open a random right, and I have a file here, right? So this is great for showing your colleagues some files on how to change things, or maybe for a teacher how they can show it to their student on how to do things, right? So it's like a tutorial helpline, right? Or if you're even a YouTuber for that matter, right, and you wish to show something on your screen, this is a great tool that you can do, recording your screen and ensuring that the screen comes up here. So something that is really useful and comes by default on all MacBooks, right? Just to close this screen recording, all you have to do is just come here on the dynamic menu bar on top. You see this icon here, the circle. Click on that, and automatically you will get the screen recording will close, and it will get saved wherever you wish for it to be saved, right? To know more such tips, please follow us on social media, or if you wish to learn something new about any Apple device, please write into us on our social media pages, and we will record a video for the same and share it with you.